So this week it's tackle fixing a door. The unlock system for the door opener not working right. So dig into that. Okay, it's gonna be whipping doggy. Wet everywhere. Hey. No. So first off, we gotta take the door panel off here. Door card. And it's just a bunch of screws. So I'll take that off. You'll see it in 3, 2. Alright. Have you seen inside a Countach replica door? So you can see why these windows never went down very far. There's no mechanism in this one to roll down the window because you can only get literally 2 inches out of it. I don't know if you guys can see, but my finger in here is at the bottom of the glass. It's going to hit the back side of the door right here at the angle it's at. So that's why they never rolled down. Nowhere for the window to go. So the way this works is this is the mechanism here. It's actually a window, power window mechanism that drives the lock system. And you see there's just a linkage here they've done some, it's like, almost looks like, I guess you could say it's coat hanger. Yeah, there's gonna be some thin wire bar or whatever, but just looking at it, it's just the magnet comes hooked up that way. And the manual door is basically here. There's a latch underneath, and that drives it. And then if you hit the remote, did you see it? Hopefully it's up. So when it turns, you can see how it pulls the handle to drive the lock and unlock the door, and it pops open. So what's happening is this micro switch here is basically in the summer when it gets really hot, the micro switch is actually falling off the edge of this diameter of this circumference part here that basically tells it to shut off. So it just keeps running and running and running once it gets hot and it's going off. And all I can see is, I can see right now that the little micro switch is just falling off of where it rides on. Here, I'll pull the camera closer and give you a better idea. You can see just how that edge of that micro switch is just riding off that piece of the plastic to one side. So it's an easy fix that I could do while holding you guys, I think. I'm gonna try and do this without breaking it. It's pivoting on plastic, so. It's got it. It's got it. Jeez, it almost got my hand again. That's riding perfectly in the middle now. I like that much better. Here. So you can see before, you can see actually where it's probably getting caught a little bit. This switch, or this, the roller here, is basically just riding off the edge here. And when it did that, it wouldn't trigger it to stop. It didn't know when it was fine on the stop, so we're good now. It's just probably because this little plastic piece just warped a little bit in the summer, or this metal warped a little bit, or all of it warped a little bit. And it just ran off it. So that's it. Job done. I think while I'm here, I'll lube things up a little bit. Mechanism looks pretty good. It's not rusted too much or anything. If anything, our custom coat hangers might be rusted a bit in here. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm gonna check my camera angle. Anyways, we can put it back together. Those are speaker wires. You might just first thing is first, you gotta hook up the speaker back up before I forget. I'm trying not to lose all my screws. Not that I use the speaker. Car's fun enough to listen to. Don't need the stereo. Get through that whole magnet. Well, looks like we're in the ballpark. Start here. All right, well, I guess we should make sure it works. Just go one click for now. There we go. So it works. That was easy. A lot less painful than I thought it was going to be. Struts don't work well in the winter. All right, well that works. Short one this week. So next week, I don't even know what I'm going to work on it. But I have to go back and watch that video again, figure it out. So, see ya. This week was on the to-do list was work on this week. Was on the to-do list was work on. What are you into? Nothing. I love the fluid film. Lube stuff up and just keep my coat hangers from rusting. There we go. I think that's it. Won't go too crazy with it. I do. Usually around this time, lube up all the hinges with some WD. So I should probably do that, but not today. Another day. Which is in the car. Not easy to get to. I should have got the remote with me. Okay, my head's gonna be in the way. That won't work.
that back up there. Well, no, I can't even see that actually. It's all covered up with the. Oh, look at there's a find. Look at that. Wow.